how to clear cache and cookies in Chrome on PC. This tutorial shows you how to delete cached data and cookies from Google Chrome on your Windows 11 PC. First, open Google Chrome on your Windows 11 PC. From there, click on the three dots at the top right to open the Chrome menu. At this point, click on Settings. From there, click on Privacy and Security from the left side panel. After that, click on Delete Browsing Data. In the next step, make sure the Basic tab is selected at the top. From there, check the boxes next to Cached Images and Files and Cookies and Other Site Data. Once done, click on the Time Range dropdown at the top and select All Time to clear everything, or choose a specific time range if preferred. Following this, click on Delete Data to confirm and start the clearing process. From here, wait for Chrome to finish clearing the cache and cookies. This may take a few seconds depending on how much data is stored. At this stage, once completed, go back and browse a website to confirm Chrome is loading pages fresh without any cache data. Keep in mind, clearing cookies will sign you out of most websites, so make sure you have your password saved or noted before clearing, as you will need to log back into your accounts afterwards. And that's it. If this guide helped you clear cache and cookies in Chrome on PC, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.